Hello, welcome to the Worksighted video training on junk email. This video demonstrates how right-clicking is the power tool for navigating junk email in Outlook. Aside from the delete key, there are several ways to manage your junk email. Most of them start with the junk mail menu, which can be found by right-clicking on a highlighted message. The first option in the junk mail menu is the block sender option. This option automatically moves the message to the junk mail folder and adds the email sender to the blocked senders list. The list of blocked senders can be edited at any time by right-clicking on any highlighted message, choosing Junk Mail, and navigating to an extended Junk Mail options menu. Clicking on the Blocked Senders tab shows a list of these senders that have already been blocked. You can also click to manually add email addresses or entire domains to the blocked senders list. To remove someone's email or an entire domain from the list, simply highlight and click Remove. While in the Junk Email Options menu, it would also be worth exploring some of the other tabs. The Options tab gives the ability to select the level of junk mail filtering that Outlook does. The options range from turning off any automatic filtering all the way up to high filtering, and then only allowing emails from senders on the Safe Senders list. Be advised that most organizations are set up to automatically delete mail from the junk mail folder every 30 days. So if a higher level of filtering is set, it is wise to check the junk mail folder more frequently. The Safe Senders tab shows a list of email addresses and domains that will always get sent to an inbox and bypass any junk mail filtering. The same add and remove options are there for editing this list as there were for the block senders list. Notice there are also options at the bottom to always trust contacts, as well as to automatically add people that are emailed to the Safe Senders list. If there's an email in the junk email folder that should not be junk, right-click the message, click the Junk Email button, and click Not Junk. This will move the email back to the inbox folder. Outlook may ask questions after to improve its filtering in the future.